In this video, we will going to understand what is the edge connectivity and what is the vertex connectivity. For edge connectivity, we need to understand what is the cut set. Now, edge connectivity of the graph is represented by using lambda of g. And what is cut set? Cut set is minimal or smallest set of edges whose removal disconnects your graph. So that if I will just remove that edges, my graph will be get disconnected into two or more portions. So that that edges will be called as your cut set. And suppose if you're having just single edge, so that if you remove that single edge, your graph get disconnected into two or more portion. So then that edge is called as bridge or isthmus. So let's take one example. Now in this graph, if I want to make a cut in the graph by using only one edge, so if I will take any one particular edge, so my graph if and remove that particular edge. Okay, suppose if I want to remove this edge, my graph doesn't get disconnected into two or more portion. So what I need to do, I should search for taking two edges. So if I take two edges at any particular location, suppose like if I am taking these two edges, and if I will remove these two edges, my graph will be get disconnected into two portion. That portion will be your this is your first portion. Now that will be your this portion, and the second one portion will be this. Now here your graph gets disconnected into two or more portion. Now this smallest number of edges, that is your cut set. So what are these edges? Edge name is v1 v2 v1 v3, and here that edge name could be anything. So we just want the length of that particular edges. So here we have just at the smallest, if we will remove two edges, your graph gets disconnected into two or more portions. So the lambda g or edge connectivity of graph is 2. So this is the length of your cut set. How many edges you are having in the cut set. And for example, in this case, so if I will just try to remove only any one edge in your graph, whether my graph get disconnected into two or more portions. So if I will make cut over here, my graph gets disconnected into two portions. That will be having this portion is the first portion and this is the second portion. So this is a kind of edge whose removal disconnects my graph into two portions. So this edge is called as bridge or isthmus, and your cut set is having only one edge. So length of your cut set is 1, or this is what we can say. Now this is the edge connectivity of your graph, that is 1. Next is your vertex connectivity. Vertex connectivity of graph is represented by k of g, where vertex connectivity could be measured by using smallest number of vertices whose removal disconnects the graph into two or more portion. And if you're just having one vertex whose removal disconnects your graph into two or more portion, then that graph is called as separable graph. And if at max like you have tried all the possibility, and if you will remove all the vertex, then and then only your graph gets disconnected into two or more portion, then that is called as a k connected graph. So if you remove this like k vertices, like if from the 7 vertices of the graph, if I remove 3 vertices, and then only my graph gets disconnected into two portion, then that connectivity, vertex connectivity, is called as a 3 connected graph. Now for example, in this graph, if I will make a cut, if I will remove this particular vertex, single vertex, my graph gets disconnected into two portions. That this is the first portion and this is the portion. Now this is called as a separable graph, and the k of g, that is vertex connectivity of graph, is 1. How many vertex we should at minimum level we should delete so that our graph gets disconnected into two or more portion. And as this is complete graph with 4 vertices, so how many vertex should I remove so that my graph will be get disconnected into two or more portion? So here for the complete graph, I have tried by using removing this vertex. Still my graph is connected graph. If I will remove this, still my graph will be connected graph. If I will remove this vertex, then I will have a graph which is having only one vertex. So for complete graph, n minus 1 is your vertex connectivity. So the vertex connectivity is your 3 for this 4 complete vertex with complete graph with 4 vertices. For this, we will calculate what is the edge connectivity and what is the vertex connectivity. Now here we can see that if you will remove just only one edge, your graph gets disconnected into two or more portions. So lambda of G3 is 1, and suppose if you will just remove only this vertex, your graph gets disconnected into two or more portions. So K of G3 is also 1. So edge connectivity and vertex connectivity is 1. And in this graph, so a lambda of g4 is what, like how many edges you should remove so that your graph gets disconnected into two or more portion. So if I will just try to remove any one edge, I tried all of this edge, my graph doesn't get disconnected into two portion. If I will make cut over here, like if I will cut it into cut two edges of the graph, my graph gets disconnected into two portion. Now this is the first portion and this is the second portion. So here lambda of g will be two edges, like at least two edges I should remove my graph to so that my graph gets disconnected. And k of g is, k of this graph will be this is complete graph with three vertex, so k of g will be your n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2.